What is up, Scatter Crew? Check it out. We got the CTSV right here. But today, we are going to be changing out some bulbs. Now, I've got some LED lights here from Axito. I think that's how you say the name. But anyways, we are putting in, let's see, what bulbs are these? These are 9012 is the number for the bulb. We're gonna be putting those in here, in the Acadia. What year is this? 2013 GMC Acadia. Now, as you can see, I've already got a video on how to do this, but most people want you to take off this front bumper, apparently. So, we're not gonna do that. Oh, this looks like a star wrench. Okay, so we're gonna get ourselves a little star wrench, and we will be back. All right, so I found my little star wrench. We're gonna show you a trick here, okay? So, basically, what you're gonna wanna do to change out these bulbs is, so you're gonna wanna, this is the driver's side, so you're gonna wanna turn this wheel, go ahead and turn it off. You're gonna wanna turn this wheel like this, right? And then you're gonna wanna access these bolts right here. Now, I've got myself this little wrench, and it's kind of broken. Not broken, but you can see that we shortened it a little bit. It's not supposed to look like this, so I actually do not know what size this is. So, bear with me here, because I do not know what size it is. But we're going to take those out. Okay, so I got these bolts out right now. Obviously, you're just gonna want to kind of peel this back a little bit. We're gonna get my lovely assistant here, and I'm gonna have her hold this. But as you can see, right up in there is the light. All right, let me see this little light here. So right there, let's see if this will get there. All right, so that little spot. All right, so we got the spotlight all put in there. Okay, so this little piece right here, basically what you want to take off. Okay, so we're going to unscrew, not unscrew, but it just kind of twists and then it pulls out. And then you're going to want to grab, let's see, I'm going to twist it. Twist it and basically pull that light bulb out like that. And that's it. That's how you change your light bulb. But we're not just changing the light bulb. We're gonna put this LED light bulb in. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. These guys, these even come with the lights. So look at this. We're gonna take one of these bulbs, and we are going to simply, let's see here. Let's see if we can get this GoPro action. Let's see. Okay, here we go. I think we can film that real quick. All right, we'll get that set up. Basically, I'm gonna put this bulb back for just a sec. But we're going to unhook this bulb and simply hook this bulb back in. Literally, just like that. And then we're going to put that back up in here where it goes. And kind of hard here to try to film and get my hand in there. Okay, there we go. So, get it in there, give it the old twist here. This here is gonna be the moment of truth. We're gonna turn this light on here. So, keep in mind, this one here I have not changed yet. So we've got this light, look at that. And then we've got the LED. You can obviously see a difference here. Whoa, yeah, I'm excited. Try these out at night. Boom. So, that's how you change out the bulbs. I'm not gonna film the process on the other side. Just know that on the other side, so if you're sitting in, say, the passenger side, so for the driver's side, you're gonna wanna turn the wheel to the right. We're gonna change out the passenger side. I'm gonna get these bolts put back in. We're gonna move to the passenger side. You're gonna turn the passenger side to the left. In the same process, you're going to just move this bad boy. And that's it. If this helps you change your light bulb, great. Hit the thumbs up, share the video, rave about it, comment down below if this helped to save you a little bit of money. But also, I'm going to link up in the description these bulbs so you can go buy them yourself. I believe I need to email the guy, but they're gonna give me a code so that all of you people who want to change out your Acadia light bulbs, my daughter's gonna laugh at me, but you're gonna get a discount on the light bulb. Yeah. So check it out. Go buy some LEDs. Yeah. As you can see, they make a little bit of a difference. That to that. See ya.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange.